What's up, guys? This is PS4 Gamer 95. Recently just got back from track meet and decided to take a video for you of my Zippo collection, which is very small, but I just ordered a new Jim Beam brass Zippo off of eBay, and I get free flints with it. And then this is one of the things I keep my Zippos in usually. It's a buck knife case. I don't know. It used to be a collectibles thing, I guess. Anyway, the first thing is a 1986 Zippo. There's no fluid in any of these. I don't really use them. I'll use my Jim Beam one though. These were all my grandpa's. I kind of got bored one day. Just threw on these stickers. Really? I don't know why, because I don't want to take them off now because they might leave residue. But yeah, 1986 Zippo. You can see that. 3 lines each side. Yep. Okay. Bradford, PA, Pennsylvania. Next one, 1936, I believe. Zippo. Put a monster sticker on there. It's one of my favorite things. This flint wheel's dull. It's not good. But yeah, there's another one I got from my grandpa's. Next one, 1990. Shiny brass, solid brass one. Inside is brass. Doesn't even have a flint in it because the flint wheel is so dull. Bradford, Pennsylvania, USA, whatever. Next, this is a Zippo replica. Some Chinese name, I don't know. It's like a 2003 Zippo or Zippo replica or something. Rebel flag. I don't know. This one's broken though. I broke the hinge. Let's see here. There you go. Yep, I broke it. Oh well. Here are the 3 original inserts to the Zippos. Decided I'd keep them since they're freaking old as crap, and I guess my grandpa sent these into factory before to get repaired. Here's some more stuff. Here's an old warranty. It's so freaking old. I'm almost scared to open it because it's so fragile. I mean, look at that old Zippo can. It's crazy. There's one. Here's a note they put on one of the Zippos. January 2006 it was sent in. This is a receipt when my grandpa bought his Zippo. If you look right there, Zippo lighter, $1.75. It's crazy. Okay, anyway guys, later.